Nice content. You deserve more subscribers. Wanna be friends? Have you received these type of comments on your recently uploaded videos? Might be from Tim, Ted, or the comical comedian, or might be from Logan or Dot. Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Sharma and I am an SEO strategist, and I welcome you all on our channel Buddha's Learning. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. So guys, our today's topic is very clear. Whenever you upload any video, you receive one comment, and this is not happening with you only, it is happening with everyone. Whether he is a new YouTuber or a YouTuber with less subscribers or a YouTuber with millions of subscribers. This channel comments on each and every video which is uploaded on YouTube. Now, who is this YouTuber? Actually, he is not a human, it is a bot. Now, if we dive deeply into this topic, we'll find that it's a scam. He is actually a spammer. So whenever you upload any video, you will receive a comment and it looks like a motivational comment. Great video, it was very good. Or cool video, keep up the amazing content. Or awesome video, you deserve more subscribers. We are saying here Tom, but it's not his actual name. His link remains the same, but he changes his name very rapidly. Now to go deeper into it, let's proceed to our laptop screen. I would like to tell you that before April 2020, the new YouTubers, they used to get the comment from Tom saying, nice content, you deserve more subscribers. So let's check it out. So if we type nice content, you deserve more subscribers, inverted commas, Tom, and then search it on Google. And if we check the videos, so here you can see about 4,25,000 results. You can see these results up to 12th April 2020. So you can see here in most of these, suppose there is a question, is it possible to avoid getting coronavirus? So there is one reply, awesome content, you deserve more subscribers. If we go further, 91-year-old Vietnam veteran reunited with family after beating. Here also top comment, Tom, one day ago, you deserve more subscribers. So in this way, you can see that there are many pages where Tom has answered. So either we can say that Tom is very fast, that he comments on each and every video, or it is possible that these are the scripted programs. When YouTube received many complaints about Tom, so they suspended this channel. Now in the month of May, Tom has come with another name, that is Logan, or we can say Dot. Now if we apply the same thing, like wannabe friends Logan, and then we search in videos, we can see here 2,63,000 results. You can see here that if we go down, so there are many pages, and if we click on the 10th one, so on 10th page the first news is 237 people have been killed as flood sweep across. Now the reply comes from Logan, that wannabe friends. So no sensible person can reply wannabe friends on such shocking news. So it surely states that it is a robot. So if we click on one of the link, so this is one of the vlog, and here if we go down, so you can see lot of comments from this Logan and bot. The logo is the same and the comment is also quite similar. Wannabe friends, can we be friends, wannabe friends, but it is coming from different entities like Juba Family Challenge, Logan, Dot. Now if we click on Logan, so it is showing that it's only 13 subscribers here and there are not much videos, but I'm sure that in the next 1 week or so there will be million of subscribers on this channel. And same goes with Dot as well. In Dot it is showing 2 subscribers, but the subscriptions it is having the name Mr. Beast Gaming. Mr. Beast was one of those spammers among Tom, Tim, Ted, Mr. Beast, the comical Canadian, etc. Now in YouTube, if I click on trending and here in search I type Leafy Brothers, so this channel opens, it is showing 2 subscribers. Now if I go down in the subscriptions, here it is Leafy is here. So if I click on Leafy is here, so it is showing 4.5 million subscribers, and in the featured here you can see 3 different channels. So it is just like upselling, where you want to purchase one thing and then you go with buying some other things as well. So if you go to Leafy's here, so it is featuring grade A under A, Drama Alert and Crisp. You can go and subscribe these as well. Now if I go to grade A under A, it is also showing 3.61 million subscribers, but the best thing which I will show you now, that if I go to grade B under B, how many videos you are seeing here? None. So there are no videos, but still the number of subscribers are 1,85,000. So that is sure short a bot activity. So what do you think that these Tom, Tim, Logan, Dot, what they are actually doing? They are promoting some other channels. They used to create 2 or 3 different channels with the same logo, and it's completely a mind track that most of the people, they do not pay attention towards it. Earlier they used to have the subscribers for shout out and the name used to come the same name, but now they are changing their strategy. So what I will say, that don't panic. If you receive any comment from one of them, just ignore. Don't click on like button or click on hearts or comment. Just leave it as it is, because after 5 or 6 days this comment will automatically disappear from your channel. And once again I will say that they are not going to hack your channel. They are simply subscription forms. They create a channel, raise subscribers and watch time on it, and then put it on sale. So you saw that they are not actually trying to hack your channel. They are the subscription firms. They create a channel, raise the subscriber on it and then put it for sale. So now YouTube should find some way that who is actually behind them. And this is for your knowledge. If we take the example of the comical comedian, and he has more than 150k subscribers. If someone buys his channel, change the photos and make all the videos private and then start uploading his own videos, what will happen? Will all these subscribers watch his uploaded videos? Because what I think, that most of these subscribers, they will start unsubscribing his channel. So I suggest you, don't fall into these shortcuts. If your content will be convincing, you will get more subscribers automatically. And yes, patience pays. You should have the patience, because Rome cannot be built in one day. That's all from my side in this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I request you to please subscribe it, press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. So we'll be back with another amazing video. Till then, bye bye, take care and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.